Just a quick update on what's going on in the woodshop right now. Anders and Torbjörn are currently working on this log farmhouse. It was built in the 70s as a copy of the ancient building style. They are restoring it now for a new owner that wants to use it as a +1 cabin next to his mountain cabin. Let's have a look. The scribed part of this are nearly finished. The rest of the build will be in a timber frame construction. It will be with framed walls, and we're putting in some windows in it as well. As of now, I am currently working on this bench. So this is more of a furniture for outside. This one is going up to a mountain cabin as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on as per now. I will be making more videos of the restoration of the farmhouse. It can be quite challenging to record videos, and sitting down and editing takes a lot of time for me. But to my bafflement, we are now over 100,000 people watching my channel, and I'm so glad that you guys are watching, because that makes it a bit easier for me to allocate more time towards the film part of what I do. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and hopefully I'll see you in the future as well.